Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. And so today I wanted to talk to you about whether or not an attorney makes a difference in dealing with DCF. And so, of course, my automatic answer is yes, but I also have some scenarios that I could share with you that I saw when an attorney can make a difference, and especially an attorney like myself who has actually worked for the Department of Children and Families. And so I had a particular case where the parents were, DCF filed neglect petitions against the parents, and they'd been dealing with the worker, and it was a tug of war. There was a lot of things said. The parents felt very disrespected by the social worker. They didn't feel that the social worker was listening to them or even understanding what was going on with their family. And so they hired us to represent them at court and for the court case itself. And in the very first meeting, when dealing with the DCF worker, it was a cordial meeting. The DCF worker asked for information. She didn't behave in the same way. And this was unknown to me at the time, that how she'd actually been talking to the clients. And after the DCF worker left the room, the clients looked at each other, and then they looked at me and said, "Who was that lady? We've seen her before, but who that lady is, who she presented today, was not the woman that we have seen for the last several weeks." And so sometimes just having an attorney sit there with you, with the DCF worker, makes all the difference. I have also seen time and time again where, especially in dealing with investigations, where I will introduce myself to the DCF worker and note that I used to work for DCF. It is one of the things that I use as a part of my tool so that the DCF worker understands, I know your job, I've done your job, so I know what it means and I know what it entails, and I also know the limits to what they can do. But nevertheless, I have seen DCF workers, calm down. They'll start to say, "Oh, okay, so you know what we need to do." And also the biggest difference that it makes when hiring an attorney that understands what it means to work with DCF is that I know what it will take to get rid of them. That is the biggest thing that you want to do, is get rid of DCF as quickly as possible. We know that you love your children. We know that you want to be there to support and care for your children. Maybe the family might be in crisis temporarily, so we even have access to information to help you with your family. But nevertheless, we don't think that the stress of DCF is necessary. So what we do is we come in as an attorney and we can actually negotiate out DCF. We can tell them, okay, what do you need to be able to close out the case? Oh, I just need X, Y, and Z. And if sometimes I think it's a little too much, we push back. Or if there's another way to get the information, I offer that. And usually it satisfies DCF because I understand what they're looking for. So the big difference that DCF can make is, one, we can curtail how the social worker treats you, because it's very difficult to be disrespectful to someone who's an officer of the court who also understands what they should and should not be doing. But we also can help to negotiate out and to find a way to get rid of DCF as quickly as possible without them, intruding so deeply into your family or having you be so exposed to them. So attorneys do make a difference, especially attorneys like ourselves who actually worked for DCF. So if you ever need any assistance in dealing with them, please don't hesitate to contact us. We do our best to support. We even have financing available through third-party vendors. They don't work for us, they don't work with us, but they do provide resources for families if you're unable to find the resources on your own to be able to hire our office. We are here to help, and we endeavor to do so. So please don't hesitate to contact us. Take care.